FinCorp 360 presents The Power of Accounting.
Accounting did not begin in offices, it began in caves.
In the Stone Age, humans used symbols and cave engravings to record goods and livestock. A fair exchange. As trade expanded, so did the need to track exchanges. Knots on ropes, marks on bamboo, early systems of bookkeeping emerged. In China, the abacus revolutionized calculation, bringing structure to accounting. Then came money, and accounting evolved into a monetary system. In 1494, Luca Pacioli introduced the double-entry system. The Industrial Revolution transformed accounting into a powerful analytical tool. After 1950, accounting entered the modern era, with standards, regulations, and global systems. Today, accounting drives global business, strategy, and economic growth.
From caves to computers, accounting shaped civilization. Now it's your turn to master it.
Money is coming in, bills are being paid, but do you really know your profit? Accounting is the systematic process of recording, classifying, and analyzing financial transactions. It transforms daily business activities into clear financial insight. Step 1, identification. Step 2, recording. Step 3, communication. Through income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. Accounting drives smarter decisions, stronger control, and strategic growth.
The data clearly shows the growth.
Precisely, this is key.
It protects businesses from fraud and financial uncertainty. Without accounting, business is guesswork. With accounting, business is power. Master Finance, Master Business. Subscribe to FinCorp 360 now and take control of your financial future.